Question 2. See children, 4 compounds or 4 structures are given to you. A, B, C and D. You have to arrange these compounds in SN2 reactivity order and SN1 reactivity order. Then remember, compound A is primary aryl halide. Why? Because carbon bearing halogen is directly connected to only one carbon atom. Structure B is secondary alkyl halide. Why? Carbon bearing halogen is directly connected to 2 carbon atoms. Structure C is also secondary alkyl halide. Why? Because carbon bearing halogen is connected to 2 carbon atoms. One is benzene ring, the other one is methyl group. Structure 4, that is D. There the carbon bearing halogen atom is connected to 3 carbon atoms. Therefore tertiary aryl halide. So primary halide, secondary halide, secondary halide, tertiary halide. Then remember the order. SN2 reaction, primary greater than secondary greater than tertiary. So this is primary, so A comes first. Then structure D is tertiary, so D comes last. Then what about B and C? Both are secondary aryl halides. Remember, SN2 reaction, less the steric hindrance, faster will be the reaction. Here compound B, this bromine bearing carbon atom is connected to 2 phenyl rings. Here the steric hindrance is more. Here the steric hindrance is less. Rule says that less the steric hindrance, more the reactivity. So among these two, B and C, C less steric hindrance. C comes first, then B. So the final order SN2 reaction, final order A greater than C, greater than B, greater than D. Then SN1 reaction, what is the order? SN1 reaction, tertiary greater than secondary, greater than primary. So sure, tertiary carbon, this one, so D comes first. D is most stable, A is least stable. This is tertiary, so D maximum, A is primary, so least stable minimum. Then what about B and C? Both B and C are secondary in nature. Remember, SN1 reaction depends on the stability of carbocation. More the stability, faster will be the reaction. So tertiary carbocation more stable than secondary, more stable than primary. So among these two, here see B, that is this one B. What about B? Here the carbocation is secondary, attached to 2 benzene rings, so resonance stabilized. So carbocation is more stable. Here only 1 phenyl group is there, so resonance stabilization is minimum. So out of B and C, B comes first, then C. So the final order is D greater than B, greater than C, greater than A. Then remember children, you must learn the fundamental differences between SN1 and SN2 reactions. and also how to identify the reactivity order towards SN1 and SN2 reaction. Hope this concept is very clear to you.